is in Begumpet. So these two showrooms we will cover all VinFast sales. Right now we have launched two variants, VF6, VF7, both are SUVs. One is compact SUV and one is luxury SUV. And VF6 starts at 16,49,000 ex-showroom, and VF7 వచ్చేసి మనకు 20,89,000 ex-showroom. దీనిలో according to variants మనకు features ఉన్నాయి. Basically all the variants are with panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera, ADAS level 2 features, and much more premium interior with mocha brown. So I do suggest everybody to have a look of the physical cars, and we will also start test drives soon by Monday itself, which is on 15th. ఇది వచ్చేసి మన హైదరాబాద్లో we have two showrooms. One is Gachibowli and one is Begumpet. కలర్స్ వచ్చేసి both the variants, both the modelsలో మనం 6 కలర్స్ లాంచ్ చేసినాం. One is white, black, maroon, mint green. Mint green is our exclusive color for VinFast, which is expected by Indian customers. And these are all our EV vehicles, especially in EV vehicles. So it's a Vietnam brand, which is much most familiar brand, and if you see the check of the build quality is too strong. Expansions right now they are planning with 35 dealers across India and 25 service centers to dealers. And next 5 years, right now the plant Tamil Nadu lo undi. So Tamil Nadu is a production plan which is up to 50,000 to 1,50,000 cars of production. Next anything will update. Right now Hyderabad was expecting, we are expecting more than 200 cars to be delivered in one shot. So we have received 150 bookings in day one. So deliveries manam 22nd of this Navratri we will start delivering the cars. Already is on pipeline.